Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to review a product. It is the MJJC Snow Foam Shampoo. And we're going to be using an MJJC Snow Cannon. Now, I'll be right up front. MJJC did send this as a trial for me to use, but I will give you my expressed position on this. They did send this with other product that I've reviewed in the past, and we're going to give this a try. I haven't tried it yet just to see. Now, this is not a sponsored video, just so you know. They did send it as a trial run, so I do appreciate that. And I'll let you know because I have been using the Chemical Guys Snow Foam soap itself, and you'll have seen that in some previous videos. I'll put some links below. Now, there's also a video I did a little while ago on the MJJC Snow Foam Cannon versus the Chemical Guys Cannon that I'll put a link below. We're going to use this. This is now my preferred snow foam cannon. So first thing, let's just put this down. First thing that they suggest that you do is you place 100 milliliters of their actual shampoo in here with 900 milliliters of water. The nice thing is it has the markings on the side of the bottle. As you can see, the bottle's clear. It makes it nice and easy to measure out. Now, I always mix my snow foam soap with warm water, and then I just gave it a little bit of an agitation, and we're going to try this in a moment on the Jaguar right behind me. It's already been pre-rinsed. I like to pre-rinse, and we're going to show you, and I'll give you my opinion of what I think of this soap. Now, before I get started, please like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate that. It does help the channel. I'll put a link to the Snow Foam Cannon as well as the soap down below. Any links or associate links. So it costs you absolutely nothing to use the link and purchase the product, but it does help the channel out. One, for visibility, to be able to do some collaborations or have products sent that I can try out and help you guys if you're looking for it. Now, if you have, really, I'm not even going to say higher end car or higher end sports car. You have any vehicle that you want to clean, the investment into a reasonably priced snow foam cannon is going to be priceless for you. It will change the way you wash. I'm also using this on a Simonize 1800 PSI pressure washer that has about a 2-gallon flow rate because you don't want high pressure washing a car. You want lower pressure because it's actually only going to put out about 1100 PSI in running. We don't care about the peak. I want to know running so that it's not going to damage your car or you have a stone chip and it's going to catch that flake and rip your paint up. You don't want that happening. So check out my video. I'll put a link down below. So no further ado, because I plan to keep this a short video. Let's get started and see what it looks like. I am going to stay stepped off to the side so that you guys will be able to see what this is like. I've already pre-rinsed, and let's just give it a little shot. Okay, so you've seen the soap go on. Actually, I'll tell you my first impression. I was a little worried because most soap, when you pour it in, you're mixing a couple of ounces and the soap is very thick. What I noticed about this snow foam soap is it's super liquidy, and quite honestly, I was worried at 100 milliliters of soap for 900 milliliters of water, what kind of result we're going to get and I have to say I'm super impressed with what I'm seeing. Normally at this stage you would see a lot of this bottom soap down here already dripping off unless you put a really heavy concentration. Now you'll see in some areas it is sliding, but it's actually really clinging, which is what you want out of a snow cannon, because you want it to cling and dwell. The longer it sits, the more it's actually breaking up the dirt and lifting it, so that if you were to run a mitt across it right now and take the shorter way of cleaning the car, it's providing that lubrication so it's not scratching or scratching your paint less. What's nice with this is, you know, potentially, and we're gonna do that as part of this video. I wasn't planning originally, but I want to see now, the longer it dwells, the more it lifts the dirt. If you had to give your car a quick wash, you're going to take off to a car show, maybe go out to dinner, and you didn't have time to do a full wash, could this almost be used as a touchless wash? I'm super impressed, because when we do this, I'm going to do it where the windows are because I don't want to scratch the paint. But when I do that, and I mean, look how thick that foam is, and even sitting on my fingers like this upside down, it's still not, it's just about to drip. That took a while. So that's really telling me that the soap is really hanging on and dwelling well. Now, since I've started recording this, we've been a couple of minutes, so let's actually try something a little new, and let's just rinse it. Let's not even touch it with a mitt and see what kind of a result we get. Now, the car wasn't super dirty, but it's been out on, oh, probably 6-7 hours worth of car rides. So let's take a look. Okay, just so you can see, that was a quick rinse. And what I will do, let's grab the camera here. Let's guys up close. And as you can see, it actually did a pretty good job. Now again, remember, this wasn't super dirty, but just so you can get a comparison, because I haven't touched this side of the car, this is what the car looked like pre-rinse. So as you can see, there is a film of dirt across it. Not super heavy, but let's see if we can, for example, you can see here, I got caught in a little bit of a light drizzle down a backcountry road, and you can see there's a bit of, you know, dirt and debris on this side, and it was pretty much mirrored. Now, would I normally just do what you've seen? Spray the soap and off I go? No. Normally you'd want to really clean the car well, but if you were in a rush, you wanted to give it a quick clean, and you can see the hydroscopic abilities that it's really beating up and running off the car. So a very quick run, and you know, it may even dry itself by the end of the block, and you could potentially have a clean enough car to just head out to a car show if you were worried about running a drying cloth over it. Anyways, it just gives you a little idea on the MJJC Snow Foam. I'm going to grab it so you can see it again. Doesn't really have any scent behind it. It's fairly liquidy, but I'm going to say I'm pretty super stoked about it. I'm going to say it's actually performed better than any of the foam cannon soaps I've tried to date. So thank you to MJJC. I'll put a link down below for you guys, and I think I'm going to need to go out and order a bunch more of this so I have it for all season. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Feel free to use the links below. They do support the channel. Check back soon. I have some automotive reviews coming soon, and we'll see you back here at the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.